Yeah, please tell me. Sunil.
Yeah.
Start.
Uh, Good morning, sir. I am going to tell you about my yesterday routine, that what I did yesterday. Actually, yesterday I got up at 6:10 in the morning. After that, I I had a glass of water, and then I went for the washroom. After that, at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, I read the newspaper, and then I go for morning walk. After that, I did exercise. At 9 o'clock, I had my breakfast. So after 9 o'clock, I brushed up my teeth. So on 9 o'clock, I brushed up my teeth, and then I went for. Then I took shower. After that, I worship the God, and then I at 9:30 I had my breakfast. Then I got ready for the office. After that, after reaching office, I worked on the computer till 6 o'clock. In between, I did a lot of work which was assigned to me from the office, and we had a conversation call on Microsoft Team for 1.5 hours. In that, I got training from my seniors, that how I need to practice, how I need to proceed my study, and in which direction. As a consultant, you should know what are the things he taught us. And after that, I returned to my home. Then I spent some time with my family, and I had some homework also that was assigned by my English teacher. I practiced on that. I completed my homework. At 9 o'clock in the evening, I had my dinner. Then I walked for a while. Then I went on the bed. I went to the bed around 10:30. And this was the routine of mine yesterday. Thank you.
So I would like to ask you some questions regarding the study routine. What time did you get up yesterday morning? Yes, Neil. What time did you get up yesterday morning? Can you hear me, please? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me now, Neil?
Now, yes, sir.
What time did you get up yesterday morning? Reply me.
Yeah, I got up at 10. I got up at 6:10 in the morning.
Okay, did you go for morning walk also?
Yes, I went for the morning walk, and I
What did you do
spent
over there?
almost half an hour.
What did
Yeah,
you
I
do
did
over there?
exercise. I did exercise. I did yoga, anulom vilom, yoga like anulom vilom, kapalbhati, and I ran for 5 minutes also.
So did Mr. Patel teach you yesterday?
No, actually, he didn't teach me yesterday because my schedule is TTS, and yesterday was Friday, so he could not teach me.
So when did you join English communication class?
Yeah, I think the date I'm not the date on which I joined this communication class, I was actually I did not remember it, but in the last week I joined this class.
So how did you come to know about Mr. Patel?
Yeah, one of my friend his name is Dheeraj. He suggested me that you should join because you should join Mr. Pathak because he had also taken classes from Mr. Pathak, and now he is able to speak fluently, and now he is in consulting field, and I also joined this field. So he suggested in consulting field it is very important that your communication should be very strong because you have to meet you need to meet clients and you will have to solve the issues. What are the issues they are facing? So your communication should be very strong. So that's why I joined Mr.
So
Pathak.
when do you understand that is there any difference when you before joining, how was your English and now? Is there a difference now?
Yeah, a little bit different. I'm feeling I'm feeling that I have some improvement in my communication because when I speak or when I used to speak, then I most of the time I use the present continuous, present perfect, or past continuous, past perfect. Now I'm trying to speak. Now I try to speak in simple present, simple past, and simple futures because this makes the communication easy and it is a little bit improvement I am feeling that.
That's very good. So what do you do? How do you practice at your home for English communication?
Actually, honestly telling you that uh, I'm not devoting much time on communication now because I need to work on the assignment which is assigned to me from the office. And in the first week, on the first week of this month, I was suffered from the cold and cough. So my health was not very good. So I could not devote much time on this. So now I'm feeling better, and from now onwards, I'm trying to work at least 3 hours, 2 hours on daily basis on this communication.
Okay, one thing you tell me, when you over sixth class or seventh class, did you have any dream that time? And right now, that dream is changed or the same dream you were having? Are you getting me? Hello, are you getting me, Snehal? Hello, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you, when you were in sixth class, so that time did you have any dream? And right now you have dream, is any changes in that dream or the same dream you are following?
Yeah, when I was in sixth class, I had a dream to become a doctor, but somehow it could not. Somehow I could not complete it, and gradually I I changed my dream. Now I then uh, when I pass out 12th, then I got only 57% in that. But I think to get a good college, at least minimum requirement is 60% you should have in your 12th class. So someone suggested me that if you are trying for this medical, then you may not have you may not get a good college, and if you did not get any good college, then it may impact on your career also. So that time I thought that time I thought that his suggestion is right, and I should go for CA. That time I decided that I have to go for in commerce field. It may be for CA or CMA. and from that I did BCom and MCom. After that I did BCom, MCom, and I'm pursuing CMA also. That is ICWA. Earlier the name of CMA was ICWA, and I have passed intermediate group 1 in December 2020. So only 3 group is pending. I need to pass it, then I will become a CMA. And after that, when I was in commerce field, then I saw that the SAP, the career in SAP is very challenging, and it has very good growth opportunity also. Being a commerce graduate, being from commerce background, it is good to join this SAP field. So I took training in SAP as a FICO consultant. Then I updated my resume on Naukri.com, and I got a call from this Promentus, and they were hiring a fresher trained FICO consultant which has a commerce background. So I got this opportunity, and now this is my dream that I have to be a very good consultant.
Okay. So when you were in 10th class, 11th class, or 12th class, how was your mathematics at that time? How was your interest in mathematics?
Mathematics is I am average student in mathematics. It is not very below of the standard and not very high. I am an average student of mathematics.
So do you think that mathematics could have been the reason you didn't become doctor?
No. To be a doctor, your background should be from biology.
No, I'm asking you. Mathematics means what? Mathematics means chemistry, physics. 75% mathematics are there in that. Do you know that? 75% mathematics is there. Hello, can you hear me? Yes, Neil. Can you hear me? Actually, 75% mathematics, physics. When you study about physics, chemistry also, that mathematics is there also. Because in medical examination, 75% that mathematics term comes. In physics also, in chemistry also. Like numericals. Numericals comes in that.
Yeah, numerical.
That is a part of mathematics. What is that? That is a part of molecular formula or something. That's part of mathematics only. You have to think about that one also. So do you think that that has been the weakness? Weakness?
No. I was able to solve. No. I was able to solve this numerical problem. It was not the issue. When I got the less percentage, than 60%, then it totally changed my mind and field also. If I would have got 60% or more than 60%, I might have pursued this medical examination. I might have pursued this medical course.
Okay, that's nice. Very good. So now you would like to become a chartered accountant, CA, consultant you would like to become.
No, yeah, sir. I want to become a consultant, SAP consultant.
Okay. So the benefit of this SAP consultant?
In between, I did some government preparation also, and in that I was qualified for IBPS clerk, bank clerk. But somehow I got disqualified in interview due to the regional language. Actually, I applied in the Gujarat state, and I got clear in my written examination. And then after that, the process was that you need to go under an interview. So these people are preferring the guys who has a Gujarati background and who knows the Gujarati language. At that time, I learned Gujarati also, that how to write Gujarati
Hmm.
and how to read the newspaper in Gujarati.
Hmm.
So I written a one page in Gujarati in interview,
Hmm.
and I had given the interview, but I think at clerical levels they prefer to have a background Gujarati guys. So that's why they have been they might have disqualified me. Not only me, there are a lot of students who got disqualified due to this uh, regional language. The most of the people of from Bihar, I think I know 10 or 12 people who got disqualified. They have secured good marks in the written examination.
Hmm. Okay. Now, what do you tell me? If you were given a chance to get 3 lakh, 4 lakh rupees salary per month, what would you do in that situation?
No, now I have to be a SAP consultant and I have to complete my CMA course. That's it. This is my last and ultimate goal. If I am getting this 3 lakhs, this field has uh, prospect that you might get this much of in this field also. I may get 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs per month in this field also, that if I have good communication and good command on my knowledge, and if I complete my CMA, and if I would have 4-5 years of experience in this field, there is a lot of opportunity. You might have an opportunity to go abroad also. There are so many opportunities, and they are going good. They are paying good perks to the consultants.
What's your father's expectation? What's your parents' expectation from you?
Now they are not expecting very much, but they're expecting that at least I should be able to uh, manage my own expenses, and if somebody needs, then I should have that much enough sufficient money that I can meet out there also.
Okay, when you were in 12th class, when you were in 12th class or in graduation, what did your father want for you?
Yeah,
What was your
actually,
parents' expectation?
yeah, their expectation was that I should be a doctor. I should become a doctor. That time, everyone has a dream. But
So, is there any person
to
in your family doctor? Is there any member of your
no,
family doctor? So,
no.
why did you want to become a doctor that time when you were a child? That time?
Actually,
How did you get to this inspiration?
when I was in child, when I was in my childhood stage, from that time, I think when I see and when I saw any doctor, and the people start calling me as a doctor.
Okay.
And my nickname became like that, doctor. Some of the people call me doctor, and from that time, this thought came in my mind, and I was also trying for that.
So, when you were a student that time, you prepared for medical examination, or you didn't prepare? You left that. You never prepared for medical
Yeah,
exam.
no.
Okay. After getting less marks, you become frustrated and you left that.
Yeah,
Okay, no problem.
yeah. One of my friend pursued this BAMS, that is, I think, a Bachelor in Ayurvedic Medicine and Science.
Yes.
He did it from Chapra also. He did it from Chapra. He also got this much. He also got less marks. He was also a very good student. We were we were one of the good students in our class. But that time, I think some president rule was imposed, and so the examination happened when this president rule was imposed in during that time. So it was little.
Okay. So now what is he doing, your friend? He completed the BA, MS, now he is doing practice or
Yeah, now
what is it?
he's doing practice.
Private
Actually,
practice
his
or
father was private practice. His father was in DM office. He was a steno. Somehow he could manage this. That he could manage his admission. Somehow he could got manage his admission in that BAMS college because I think some linkage and some approach was required to get admission in that college because the seat was limited, and so he was in DM office, so he could manage it.
so one thing you tell me, for English communication, what do you want? You want phonetic also? You want only fluency? You want vocabulary? What do you want? Please do.
I want everything. Actually, I don't have enough material of anything like phonetic, fluency, vocabulary. I need to work on that because when as a consultant, it is very important that your communication should be very strong. Phonetic, your pronunciation should be at the up to the standard that when you start talking to the person who is not Indian or who is from abroad, then your
Okay. Now, last question. I would like
when
to I would like to ask you last question. So, for collecting the vocabulary, what are you doing?
as of now, I did not start anything, but I have to start as per your suggestion. Or you may guide me how should I proceed in this to collecting how should I proceed to collect this
As I told
vocabulary
you,
as
as I told you earlier, that you every day you need to read the Times of India. Have you been reading Times of India or not? Are you reading Times of India? Have you been reading Times of India or not?
as of now I could not do this, sir.
Okay. So every day you need to read the Times of India, either Times of India, otherwise Hindustan Times, and one paragraph every day you need to write. Right. And
Writing is also important, sir.
yeah, please.
I need to write also one paragraph.
Yeah.
Through
First of all, you have to read the Times of India, right? After reading,
okay.
every day one paragraph you have to write. After seeing, see the paragraph and write down. Just copy paragraph. What do you have to do?
Okay.
Just copy it.
Okay.
If you copy it every day, one paragraph, it will help you in a spelling mistake, removing a spelling mistake, overcoming a spelling mistake.
Yeah.
Second thing,
Yeah.
whenever you write the paragraph, right, after that you read whatever you don't understand. After that you underline in your notebook, underline whatever you don't understand. So I think 15 or 20 word every day you would find out. I think every day.
Yeah, for finding actually, sir, when I read the newspaper, to find 20 words, I need to read at least one page or minimum one page is required. I need to read one page.
Any one paragraph. Suppose one thing is written that 5 persons were apprehended by the police in 5-star hotel. Suppose 5 persons were apprehended by the police in 5-star hotel. Now you got this is the heading, suppose, and after that one paragraph is written. The New Delhi in the VRs, police raided in 5-star hotel, where 5% those who were hiding in 5-star hotel, they were apprehended.
There was a connection problem, sir.
Yeah, actually this is Zoom. I think Zoom is creating some problem. In between, it stops. 3
Okay.
times or 4 times it happens for a time being. You can say 1 minute or 2 minutes, stressed off, get stressed off. This is the problem,
Okay.
I think. This is the one.
Okay.
So
So to find 20 words, I need to read minimum one page, sir, I think. When I read, I have tried sometime because most of the word which came while I reading, then when I read, then it is familiar to me.
okay, Times of India.
So
So no problem.
yeah, Times of India.
Okay, then if it is okay, then you can do this one also. One paragraph you will write down, right? After that, you
Okay.
try to find out another paragraph also. What do you mean by unprecedented result? That word unprecedented result.
Unprecedented, that which was not expected.
Yeah, that's nice. So these types of words are there, right? And just like we say that in Kargil war, they 5% Indian army were mutilated to that. 5 Indian army were mutilated to that. What do you mean by this one?
Mutilated to that
means
in मतलब शहीद हो गए, I think we can say.
no. Suppose if you
मारे
get
गए.
this types of in Times of India, 5 Indian army was mutilated to that. So mutilate means what? अंग भंग करके मार देना. Their eyes were gouged, tongue was cut, chopped. Are you getting?
Yeah.
In this way.
Yes.
Means अंग भंग करके मार देना. So these types of word you find out in that one also. Right?
Okay.
So collect these types of word and try to find out from dictionary. If not, then I would help you also. Per day,
Okay.
in this way, what will happen that these are daily matters, whatever is happening every day. So you'll be habitual
Okay.
of collecting all these things that happens daily. Right?
Okay.
And some grammatical also, you find out how do they talk, how do they talk in that.
Yeah.
You could find out all these things. In this way, it will
Yeah.
help you a lot. Second thing, you do one thing. Synonyms I told you. Synonym is very important.
Yes.
Synonym is just
Yes.
like one word is having different, one word could be spoken in different way, right? One word could
Yes.
be spoken in different way. So these are the synonyms. It will help you a lot. Synonyms, antonyms. Opposite word you have to say antonyms. And then homophones. You must have heard of homophones are there. Homophones means having the
Yes.
same sound but different meaning.
Okay.
And after that,
How many would have? How,
20 word every
how
day.
many would be home?
20,
Okay.
20. 20 antonyms, 20 synonyms, 20 homophones. If you have time, suppose if you are getting time, then utilize your time.
Yeah.
Give 1 hour only, 20 antonyms, 20 synonyms, or you would find all, if you like, antonyms, a list of antonyms on Google. Thousands of antonyms will come to you. Whatever
Okay.
you like, just you write down that one. Whatever you like, I'm not telling that, whatever you don't like. Whatever you like, you just write it down. This practice means you have to write every day. Become habitual of writing.
Yeah. From now onwards,
Yeah.
I will definitely.
Once you become habitual of writing, then what will happen that you will be automatically it will come in your mind also every day if you see. On every Sunday, whatever you write weekdays, you just go through on every Sunday, so that
Okay.
you could revise that also.
Yeah.
And next thing, one storybook. Had I told you to purchase a storybook also?
Yeah. Yeah. Yesterday you told me, and I had written a story also.
Okay, tell me
I
that
would
story.
like to narrate.
Okay, of course, tell me please.
So it is a story of a rabbit and turtle.
Okay.
There was a rabbit and a turtle. They were very good friends. They used to live together. One day, rabbit thought that he would make one more friend. So he discussed with the turtle that I want to make one more friend. The turtle denied the proposal. After that, a rabbit put a condition that we will organize a race and the winner would decide the proposal. The rabbit thought that he can run fast and would win the race, and he would make a new friend as he wanted. Next day the race started. Rabbit ran very fast because he had got long legs, but turtle could not run fast because he had got short legs. After some time, Rabbit thought that I should take a rest for a while and then I would start again for the race, because he presumed that he would win the race. As he stopped the running and sat under the shadow of a tree, he fell in a sleep. On the other hand, Turtle continued his race because he knew that he had got short leg and he would have to run continuously. So he continued his race and won the race. Thank you.
Very good, man. That you have written right. Few mistakes are there, a little bit, not more. But that your thought is nice. Whatever you thought and after that you wrote it down, that's nice. So every day you also try to write down, right? It will help you in enhancing your writing power and writing skills. Right. Now, as I told you that just you purchase one storybook also, right?
Yeah.
Different stories are written in that one, and every day you read one story. It will help you in understanding also and writing also, because especially used to and a would that is used in the story. Used to and would, you must have heard about that. So these are generally used, and just like I'm telling you how to say कि सर एक राजा था, मैं बोलता जाऊंगा आप बोलेंगे उसको ट्रांसलेशन, राइट? एक राजा था, बोलिए प्लीज.
There was a king.
उसकी 3 रानियां थी.
He had 3 queens.
वे तीनों बड़ी खूबसूरत.
These all were very beautiful.
उन तीनों का नाम था सोनी, मोनी एंड रीटा.
Their name was Soni, Moni and Rita.
सोनी इंटेलिजेंट बहुत थी पर खूबसूरत नहीं थी.
Soni was very intelligent but not very beautiful. She was not very beautiful.
मोनी सबसे ज्यादा खूबसूरत थी.
Moni was the most beautiful. Moni was the most beautiful.
एंड रीटा उन सबसे ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट थी और खूबसूरत भी थी.
And Rita was the most intelligent as well as beautiful.
तीनों ने बच्चे को जन्म दिया.
All 3 gave birth of child.
Please open the door.
पूरा Okay. In this way, every day you have to form the story also, as I told you, right? So you have to form the story, you
Okay.
have to write the story. And one thing I would like to say, tell you that news, English news. Do you watch English news or Hindi news? mostly?
Nowadays, I'm not watching news due to this COVID-19.
Okay. Why don't you watch? You don't get time, or you
No,
don't like to
no.
watch?
I like to watch, but due to this COVID-19, there are lots of news which are making us scared of us. So I'm avoiding to watching news.
Oh. Okay. So you try to watch news. News will also help you. News will also help you. Hello.
Can I watch? Can I watch the cartoons which are in English language?
Yeah, you could do. You could watch movie also. English movie.
Okay.
English
Okay.
movie will help you. Right. So do all these things. It will. These are very important things that will help you a lot. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now do one thing. Uh, can you write 5 or 6 idioms?
No, sir. I don't have.
You know idioms, muhavre.
I need to go once. I know earlier, but now
Okay, do
it
one
is
thing.
not in my mind.
Do one thing. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Write on Google idioms. Right?
Okay.
Idioms. And only 5 idioms you write down from that. अभी लिखिए आप. Google पे लिखिए
So
idioms.
now I.
Yeah, 5 minutes. I'm
Okay.
giving you 5 minutes time. कम से कम 5 लिख के मुझे बताइए.
Okay.
5 minutes I'm giving you.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I have written.
Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Tell me please.
The first one is hit the hay. Second one is up in the air. Third one is stabbed in the back. Fourth one is text to tango. And fifth one is kill 2 birds with one stone.
Kill 2 birds with one stone. Miss,
Yeah.
one ek panth dvikaj. Have you heard? Ek panth
Yeah.
dvikaj. Kill two birds with the one stone. I always do one
Yeah.
thing. At least you can say that I always believe in killing the birds with what do you say? Killing two birds with a single stone. So
Yeah.
these always helps whenever you start speaking with the people, whenever you do conversation.
Okay.
So these idioms means
Okay.
muhavre. What do we say? Idioms is called
Muhavre.
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 So first was killing two birds with single stone, and second was what is that? What is second one?
Take two to tango.
Take me loudly, please. Tell me loudly.
Take two to tango. Take two to tango.
Takes two
TWO
to tango.
one
What does
two-
it mean? What does it mean?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. The meaning is not written over there. In that meaning would have been written also there. See?
Okay, I will write it.
Because whenever you write the idioms, you must write out meaning also. So that you would be able
Actually,
to.
they have. Actually, it has been written in. It was written in a paragraph, so I
Okay,
didn't
for
go
paragraph, yes.
to the paragraph.
No. Actually, on Google, if you say list of idioms, you write on
Yeah.
here, I'm showing you also. Just you write on list of idioms, it will show you.
Okay.
On Google, just you write down list of idioms. List of idioms. List of idioms and phrases.
Yes.
It is showing that every cloud has a silver lining.
Okay.
Every cloud has a silver lining. What does it mean? It means good things come after bad things.
Yes.
Second is
Get a
that
taste of your.
it's written there or not?
Yeah, written there.
Okay.
Get a taste of your own medicine.
Yes. What does it mean?
Get treated by the way you have been treating others.
Yeah, get treated the way you have been treating others. जैसा आप अपने लिए चाहते हो वैसा दूसरों के लिए चाहो कहने का मतलब ये है. What is third
Yeah.
one?
Give someone cold shoulder.
Yeah,
Ignore someone.
right? And
Yes.
go on a wild goose
But-
chase.
Yeah. To do something pointless.
What do you mean by a blessing in disguise?
Sorry.
A blessing in disguise.
A blessing in this.
A blessing in disguise. D-I-S, G-U-I-S, disguise.
No, sir, I don't know.
Have you heard आस्तीन का सांप सुना है? आस्तीन का सांप
हाँ हाँ सुना है.
छुपा हुआ रुस्तम सुना है?
सुना है.
So a blessing in disguise means a good things that seemed bad at first. A good thing that seems bad at first. अच्छा चीज बहुत स्टार्टिंग में लगता है कि बहुत खराब है, लेकिन बाद में जब पता चलता है कि वो अच्छा है.
Okay.
You must have a beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat about the bush. Have you heard? Come to the point. Don't beat about the bush. इधर उधर की बातें ना करो. So beat about the bush. We generally use like this one. Okay. So if you do this one, the most common English idiom. If you write the most common English idiom, you write on the notebook.
Okay.
The most common Indian English. Sorry, the most common English idiom. IDIOMS.
English idiom.
Yeah. Then you would find out, and whatever you like, just you select it. And every day 10 or 15, not more than 10 or 15, you could write that out. Idiom.
Okay.
So that you will be able to use it while speaking, and that will give you better, right?
Okay.
Idea for that. Okay. Now yourself, you tell me, when you start speaking, what problem do you face? Again, I'm asking you, second day.
Actually, when I started speaking, then I faced sometimes that what should I say? Suddenly I got blank.
One thing I would like to tell you, whenever it's like, whenever you start speaking, it must be ups and down while speaking. You speak in the same motion.
Okay.
Intonation should be there. Intonation should be there. Whenever you start speaking, it should be like this one also, not in this way. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have seen that you started speaking for half an hour, we have been 1 hour, we have been talking. So you
Yes.
never speak like intonation. Just like say, so today I would like to tell you about my incident that happened 7 or 8 years ago. One day when I was going, all of a sudden I saw a person. I had never seen that person earlier. So you have to
Okay.
speak like this one also. So otherwise, what will happen
Okay.
that when you start speaking, other people will sleep. You will fall asleep.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Yes.
So some
Okay. I
intonation
will
should be
practice
there.
on it.
If you are having
Okay.
intonation up and down in your language, then it will make them other
Intonation.
people awake. Yeah, intonation.
Okay.
INTO,
Spelling test.
NATION, intonation. Intonation means
Okay.
up and down in your, just like उतार चढ़ाव कहते हैं ना, तो जब भी आप
Okay.
बोले
Yes.
इसको, I will tell you accent. आगे चल के मैं बताऊंगा आपको. This is called accent and stress. How do you give a
Yes.
stress? So we say
Accent.
examination. So yesterday I had
Okay.
my exam. Yesterday I had my exam, and I got ready to go to the exam around 7 o'clock. But I reached
Okay.
my center 9 o'clock. Today I was half an hour late. It happened that when I was going to board the bus, it was totally packed. Now, when you start
Okay.
speaking like this one, it will make other people curious to know that. What are
Yes.
you going to say?
Yeah.
What is, so in this
Essence
way
was
you
one
have
of
to speak.
the.
Not in the
Yeah.
same fashion you have to speak. So
Okay.
when you start speaking, you speak like that. Right? Means you should be happy, a smile should be while speaking, a smile must be on your face.
Okay.
You should be serious also,
Yes.
you can be according to situation, but always remember, if you are smiling, other people will also smile. If you are serious, other people will become serious also. Once they become serious, they would lose their, right? So this is a very, very important thing. Intonation. After that, I will teach you phonetics also, phonetic transcription also. During the
Phonetics
phase
means
of learning.
what exactly it means?
Yeah.
Phonetic, what exactly it means?
I'm not getting a voice. Your voice is 1 minute. Yeah, please ask me.
Phonetic, what exactly mean?
Yeah. Actually, phonetic is what? Phonetic is the way of writing the particular word and making sounds, proper sounds in English. How do you spell the proper word? Suppose we say exam. If you write EXAM, exam, somebody say exam, somebody say exam. Right.
Yes.
Yeah. So one is called accent, one is called accent. So how do you articulate a particular word, particular letter? How do you articulate? How do you pronounce? So what happens that is speech sound. These are called speech sounds.
Okay.
When you start speaking, suppose we say we inhale the air, right? After that, when air comes from your lungs, it comes to the it's called phonatory. There are 3 types of system: articulatory system, respiratory system, phonatory system. There are different systems that I will tell you later on. These are the part of phonetics. Actually, phonetics in MA English that is taught to the students so that they could teach other students. How could you pronounce particular letter? Africa pa pa. So pa, how do you pronounce pa? इसको bilabial. Bilabial means both lips come together. Pa.
Okay.
So how do you make a sound through your lips, through your tongue, and other part of the mouth also participate in that, you know? These are called articulation. Whenever you start articulation, then we have a word is also divided into parts. That's called syllable. Have you heard them of syllable?
Yes.
There's a sentence
Yeah, I
is
have
divided
heard.
into part. A word is also divided into part. Suppose we say that I am going. Suppose you say, Mama, I'm going. Now go and ing, 2 syllables are there.
Yeah.
Go and ing, 2 syllables are there. And we are giving syllable stress on second syllable. I'm going. Are you coming?
Yes.
No, I'm not coming today.
Coming.
Yeah, I'm not coming today. We said today. Today we know. Today. Today, I would like to tell you one thing. Today. We have to give a stress on day. Second syllable. If you speak today, I would like to tell you on a story that is based on a human who used to live earlier on the Mars.
Yeah.
In this way, you have to speak.
Okay.
It will help you a lot.
So-
What is?
Yeah.
So whatever I told you today, and try to be alive. When you start speaking, try to be alive, be happy. और
Okay.
always think मेरे सामने 50 बंदे बैठे हैं, उनको मैं कैसे खुश कर दूं?
Oh,
आपने जो कहानी का that was monotonous. Monotonous means एक ही टोन में था, उसमें कोई भी उतार चढ़ाव
Yeah.
नहीं.
Hmm.
अगर कोई आपको फिल्म दिखाए और एक ही फिल्म में उतार चढ़ाव होता था आवाज में, तभी तो इंटरेस्ट आता है आपको. You always get interest
Yes.
when there is intonation in the speaking. तभी तो इंटरेस्ट आता है आपको. अदरवाइज तो सो जाएगा. एक ही तो लय में उतार चढ़ाव होनी चाहिए. ऑलवेज नंबर देखते हैं. तो चलिए हमारी मुलाकात फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में होती है. बट टुडे इज सैटरडे, संडे आपका डे है टीटीएस है, ट्यूसडे सैटरडे, तो 2 दिन का रेस्ट है आपका.
Yeah.
2 दिन में यू प्रिपेयर
Yeah.
ऑल दी थिंग्स. सारे पे एक एक करके
Yeah, I
तैयारी
will
कीजिए,
prepare.
है ना. फिर से मिलते हैं आप. एनी क्वेश्चन एट लास्ट?
Sir, can I have this recording, sir,
Yeah, I will send
so
you.
that I can?
Yeah, of course, of course. If it is there, I will send you. I will try to. Thank you very much.
Okay,
I will
sir.
send you if it is
Okay,
possible.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Have a
sir.
nice day.
Thank you.